Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. If you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, please feel free to drop an email to our email ID, which is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. Okay. Then you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions and our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI entrance tests, etc., TIFR, etc. So please feel free to contact us if you need any help from us. Okay. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR, and the section is our MCQ section, and the question is from group theory, and the question is telling us that let z100 equals to 0, 1, 2 up to 99 be the additive group of integers modulo 100. How many subgroups does z100 have which do not contain 10? So there are four options here, which are my 5, 4, 3 and 2. Okay. So now what can be done here? So now we are going to determine the number of the subgroups of Z100 that do not contain 10. Let's analyze the structure of Z100 and its subgroups. Okay, so we are going to identify the subgroups of Z100. So the group Z100 is cyclic generated by 1, and its subgroups correspond to the cyclic subgroups generated by divisors of 100. So the divisors of hundreds are what? We know that the divisors of 100 are equals to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So this is these are the divisors of 100, which are my 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. Okay. So each divisors D, let us call it D, of 100 corresponds to a unique cyclic subgroup which will be generated by 100 by D of order D. Okay. So now we are going to identify the subgroups that do not contain 10. So for a subgroup to avoid containing 10, it must be generated by an element whose multiples can never reach 10 in Z100. Okay. So now the subgroups are generated by the elements from this kind of, that means our 100 by D, where D is a divisor of 10. If a subgroup contains 10, then its generator must be a multiple of a number whose least common multiple, that means LCM, with 100 includes 10. Okay, so the subgroups of Z100 will be 100 by 1 will be this, and that is equals to 0. 100 by 2 will be 50, then it will be 0 and 50. Then we will have 100 by 4, that will be 25, the group generated by 25. Then our elements are 0, 25, 50 and 75. Okay. So let me shift the screen. Yeah. So after that, that will be 100 by 5. Then we will get 100 by 5. So that will be group generated by 20. So that is 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. Yeah. And then after that, our 20 into 5 will be 100. So that will be 0. Okay. So after that, we have to divide 100 by 10. So we will get 0, 10, 20, dot 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 up to we will get 90. And for 100 by 20, so we will get the group generated by 5. So that will be 0, 5, 10, dot 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 up to 95. We can see that this contains 10 and this contains 10. So now subgroup generated by 4, that means 100 by 25. So that is equals to 0, 4, sorry, 8, 12, dot 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 up to 96. Then we can see that our 10 is nothing. 10 is not appearing here, or any multiple of 4 cannot be 10. So this group will not take place in our suggested things. So that means So after that we will get 100 by 50, so that will be a group generated by 2, so that will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to that will be 98. And our group generated by 1, that means 100 by 100, so that will z 100 itself. So this will also have 10 and this will also have 10. Okay, so the subgroups do not contain 10 are what? This, this, this and this. So there are how many? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So so how many subgroups does Z100 have which do not contain 10? So that will be our answer. Then our answer will be 4. Sorry, 5. Yeah. Hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, please feel free to contact us. Then that will be beneficial for your upcoming examinations. Okay. So if so, after contacting us, you can join. You can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.